again most welcome back to my YouTube channel Ajay's English Express. In this video we will learn here about tenses because tenses are the foundation of English language. Without tenses you cannot speak English language clearly. So that's why we should learn about this. In this video I will tell you everything about tense. So let's start. First, there are three kind of tenses. First is present, second is past and third is future. Present वर्तमान काल, पास्ट भूतकाल, फ्यूचर भविष्य काल. पास्ट जो गुजर चुका है, प्रेजेंट जो चल रहा है एंड फ्यूचर जो आने वाला कल है. फर्स्ट आई टॉक अबाउट प्रेजेंट. देयर आर आल्सो फोर काइंड ऑफ टेंस. First is present indefinite, we can say simple as well, and second is continuous tense, third is perfect, and fourth is perfect continuous tense. So let's start from present tense. Present indefinite tense. In this tense, always you have to use does and do in present indefinite, and the formula is subject plus verb plus object. For example, I eat food. Now past indefinite. In past always you have to use did as a helping verb. In past indefinite always you have to use second form of verb. This is the only tense where you have to use second form. This is the only tense. इसमें आपको हमेशा verb की second form ही use करनी है. Formula is subject plus second form of verb and object. For example, I ate food. And third, future. In future always you have to use will or shall. For example, I will eat food. The formula is subject plus verb first form and object. Now I talk about continuous tenses which is going on, continuously going on, जो अभी चल रहा है. For example, I am making video. मैं इस वक्त वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, मैं इस वक्त आपसे बातें कर रहा हूँ. So the formula of continuous tense, subject plus verb first form with ing and object. One thing you always remember, in every continuous tense there are two things is very common. First form of verb and second is ing. कि कोई भी continuous tense हो उसमें verb की first form ही लगेगी with ing, and in continuous tense always use is, am, are. Now I talk about past continuous. So in past continuous, for example, I was eating, मैं खा रहा था, and always in this tense you have to use was and verb. Now talk about future continuous. In future continuous always you have to use will be. For example, in future I will be eating food, मैं खाना खा रहा हूँगा. तो ये हो गया future continuous. अब आते हैं perfect tense. In present perfect always you have to use have and has. For example, I have eaten food, मैंने खाना खा लिया. In perfect tense, चाहे वो past का हो, चाहे future का हो, चाहे present का हो, आपको हमेशा verb की third form ही लगानी है. The formula is subject plus verb third form and object, and helping verb आपको यूज करना है have and has. Has always you have to use for third person, but have you can use for singular person. अब आते हैं past perfect tense पे. In past perfect tense आपको as a helping verb आपको had लगाना है. प्रेजेंट में have या has था, इसमें have has नहीं है, इसमें आपको had लगाना है. और इसमें एक चिंता आपको बिल्कुल भी नहीं करनी है कि सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर है या प्लूरल है, सब में आपको had लगाना है. तो इसमें आप for example, I had eaten food, मैंने खाना खा लिया था. अब आते हैं perfect future tense पे. In perfect future tense you have to use will have. For example, I will have eaten food. फ्यूचर में मैं खाना खा चुका हूँगा. Now I talk about present perfect continuous. In present perfect continuous as a helping verb you have to use have been. Present perfect continuous means which we have done but still going on, जो हम काम कर चुके हैं लेकिन अभी भी कर रहे हैं. For example, मैं पढ़ाई 10 साल से कर रहा हूँ और अभी कंटिन्यू है. So for example, I have been doing study for 10 years. For duration always you have to use for, but for fixed time always you have to use since. Now I talk about past perfect continuous. In this always we have to use had been. जो काम आप पिछले 10 साल से कर रहे थे, अब नहीं कर रहे हो, बट पिछले 10 साल से आप कर रहे थे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैं 10 साल से कर रहा था. आई हैड बीन डूइंग फॉर 10 years. ओके. नाउ आई टॉक अबाउट फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. इसका यूज बहुत ही कम होता है. इन फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस वी हैव टू यूज विल हैव बीन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई विल हैव बीन ईटिंग फूड. मैं एक वक्त से दूसरे वक्त तक खाना खा रहा हूँगा. आप ये यूज कर सकते हो. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you understand which I said in the video. And if you like the video, please do subscribe, like, share, comment.